it's me Deepstone. Today we are learning Pink Floyd, Wish You Were Here. So the chords are C major, D major, A minor, G major, or you can do like this in the bar, then back to D major, C major, A minor and G major. So the intro part is played before the solo. So intro part is on the E minor 7th chord, just like E minor, but you have to put this two finger, pinky finger and ring finger, on the third fret of the E string and B string, first and second string of the third string. So it will be E minor 7. There's another chord like G. You can do like this as well for G. This is G major. You just have to add the ring finger on the second string and pinky on the first string of the third fret. Then this will be G, E minor 7, A7 sus4. Yeah, that's it. So the intro part is played on the E minor 7th chord. So you have to hammer the 5th string on the 2nd fret like this. Then 4th string open, then 4th string on the 2nd fret, so it will sound like this. Then rhythm, then 3rd string open, 4th string on the 2nd fret, then back to G major rhythm. So it will sound like this. Then on the G major, play the 6th string on the 3rd fret, then back to same pattern on the E minor 7. Then again 3rd string open, 4th string on the 2nd fret, and 4th string open, and back to G. So it will sound like this. Then on the G major chord, hit the 6th string, now the new thing is play on the 5th string, hammer on the 2nd fret, 4th string open, then 4th string on the 2nd fret. Now 4th string open, hammer to 2nd fret, then 4th string open, then 5th strings on the 2nd fret, then 5th string open, then rhythm on the A7 as well. So once again, 5th string hammer on the 2nd fret, 4th string open, and 4th string on the 2nd fret, rhythm, then 4th string hammer on the 2nd fret, 4th string open, 5th string on the 2nd fret, 5th string open, then rhythm on the A7 sus4. So the third part will be sound like this. Now same as the first part, hammer on the 5th string of 2nd fret, then 4th string open, then on the G major chord, strumming on the G major chord. So it will be just hammer on the 4th of the 5th string, then 4th string open, then G major, strum on the G major chord. So the full intro will sound like this. Then the song will start from the chord C major. So guys, thanks for watching. If this will help you, then please do subscribe and share. Thank you.